Wrap her back. Good.
See, this is where Nancy's personality comes out. Nancy's like, I'm taking control. Good, Lori.
Good little moments. Go ahead, drive. Let's drive like you mean it. Stop like you mean it. Back like you mean it.
There. See, Nancy knows. She just has to be encouraged to get her work ethic.
Sure. Well,
And Lori can do it.
oh yeah.
Woohoo!
Right back. Okay.
What'd she say?
She was goofy.
Oh, yeah.
Good. There was some kind of, yeah, good. I was going to say, forget your cow for a minute, fix that. Where she said,
Poor
you
Nancy.
just turn it one way or the other, so
That bridle's about ready to fall off, too.
transmission problem then.
And her bridle's about ready to fall off.
Yeah.
Is that just a Snapple on her?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You wanna try it?
Good.
That's what you were talking about, that bouncing.
My butt bouncing.
What is that little hop bounce? Just not getting up underneath? Or
Yeah,
something?
they're stopping on their front end. Instead of trying to use their hip and sit down and keep your foot on your last. Good.
Good.